Hello, and welcome to Midea Future. This is our Midea Smart Factory in Thailand, where we are defining the future of manufacturing. The Midea Thailand Smart Factory is a fully digitalized production line filled with intelligent management systems and automatic operations, designed for higher efficiency end to end. To build and bring this to life, we use drones on location to collect footage and data real time of the factory being built. Then, with photogrammetry technology, we restored the surrounding landscape and combined it with the 3D model of the factory. Through WebGL, we created a virtual experience so users could explore the factory themselves. Users could zoom in and explore internal structures and the functions of each room. When they scrolled down, they could also see the AC outdoor unit production line run by KUKA robots. From installation to moving stationary, then removal locking until completion. Above the factory is the intelligent air transport logistics, which help achieve maximum transport efficiency. And in the digital operation cockpit, all the progress data is displayed on one big screen. Any emergency situations could be notified with one click of a smartwatch. Unexpected problems could be reported and resolved quickly. What's more, a live stream camera was included to enable global consumers to see a real-time view of the factory's construction. During the Midea RAC 129th Online Canton Fair in April 2021, we unveiled our ManuFuture project for the first time. This industry-leading innovation created huge media buzz as people were excited to witness this revolutionary change in modern manufacturing. As the sun continues to rise and set on the construction site, we continue to build. The future is coming soon.